Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a UK IP address. You will see it's very easy. As you can see here, my current IP address locates me in Nice, France. I'm currently not in the United Kingdom. What I'm going to do now is replace my French IP address with a British IP address using ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app that you can install on your computer, smartphone, tablet or smart TV that allows you to change your IP address. Once connected, your real IP address will be hidden, replaced by the IP address of the VPN server. I select the UK in the list of countries. As you can see, there are plenty of other countries available, including the US, Canada, Germany, France, Spain, Japan, and so on. There are 94 countries in total, which is huge. I already selected the UK. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the UK. Let's refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in London. As you saw, it's very easy. You just need to select the UK in ExpressVPN, click a button, and that's it. I showed you how to do it from a computer, but it's the same principle if you're on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are quite similar to this one. As you saw, to get a UK IP address, you need ExpressVPN. To sign up, visit revistavpn.com/exp or click on the link located in the description under this video. ExpressVPN is the best VPN for Netflix, with over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. Great speeds, no bandwidth limits, a zero-log policy, very effective to bypass geographic restrictions. ExpressVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but costs only a few pounds per month. With our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free. Last but not least, ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, get a British IP address as many times as you want for several weeks, and then request a refund if you wish. Don't even think about free VPNs. None of them offer unlimited bandwidth. Free VPNs are also insecure, slow, and don't provide good streaming quality. Best to forget about them. This is why I recommend using ExpressVPN, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to change your IP address and get a UK IP address. Remember, with our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. This means you can sign up now to get a British IP address and do whatever you need to do, and then request a refund once you're back in the UK, for example. To get a refund, all you need to do is to contact the customer service and ask them to refund you. The only condition, make this request within 30 days after your purchase. Otherwise, it will be too late. That said, I highly recommend that you keep your subscription, as ExpressVPN comes with many other benefits: to browse and download anonymously, a must-have for torrenting, to access blocked sites on any device, save money on flight tickets, and much more. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to get a UK IP address, no matter where you are in the world. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and see you next time.